Hi everyone, my name is Hsiung, and I am a master's student at Brunel School of Forestry and Natural Resources at the University of Georgia. My advisor is Dr. Richard Chandler. My involvement in Manakin ecology research is through my master's thesis, where I studied autoturnal migration behavior of long-tailed manakins in Costa Rica. Autoturnal migration is documented in many tropical resident bird species, but not in long-tailed manakins specifically. However, based on pilot data that we collected back in 2015, we believe that some individuals within the population in our study area do make seasonal elevational movements. More specifically, most of the population appeared to aggregate at lower elevations during the wet season, and some individuals migrate upslope to breed during the dry season. The objectives of our study is to provide evidence for autoturnal migration behavior in this species, long-tailed manakins, and also find out which traits can affect migratory propensity of individuals. An example of that trait would be body size. We would expect that smaller individuals of a population may move downhill during the non-breeding season or the wet season, typically, because rain is more frequent at higher elevations compared to low elevations. And we would expect that smaller individuals are less able to withstand this kind of harsh weather. Also, sex may affect an individual's migratory behavior. Males that breed at higher elevations may choose to stay there during the non-breeding season compared to females, so they can have access to good breeding, or in this case, lacking sites in the upcoming breeding season. We conducted our study in Montes de Oro in Costa Rica between January and April of 2016. The study area is on the Pacific side of the Cordillera Tilaran between 600 and 1200 meters. We used mark capture recapture methods at both low and high elevation field sites to document change in manakin abundance between breeding and non-breeding seasons. We also used radiotelemetry method to track movements of some of the manakins within the same time frame. On the right-hand side of the slide are some of the results of our study so far. Some individuals with radio transmitters did make pronounced uphill movement at the same time that coincided with the beginning of their breeding season. And presented here are their movement trajectories. Also, there is a slight decrease of manakin population at lower elevations, which is indicated by the blue line here on the graph, and also a pretty obvious increase of the population at high elevation, which is indicated by the red line within the study area, suggesting an influx of individuals from low to high elevations. And the results from the analyses of body size and sex effect on individual migratory patterns are pending at the moment. Thank you for your attention.